Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal from your battery. Next, gather all your essential tools, including a set of wrenches, sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. It's crucial to ensure the engine is completely cool before you begin any work to prevent burns. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for you. Now, let's get to removing the old alternator. Begin by locating the serpentine belt tensioner, loosen it, and carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect all electrical connectors and the main power cable attached to the alternator. Finally, remove the mounting bolts and carefully maneuver the old alternator out of its tight spot. Take your time with this step. With the old unit out, it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully position the new alternator into place and secure it with the mounting bolts. Next, reconnect all the electrical wiring and the main power cable, ensuring each connection is tight and secure. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it's properly routed and has the correct tension. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal securely. Now, start your engine and check your dashboard for any warning lights. Use a multimeter to confirm the charging voltage is around 14 volts, indicating proper function. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your alternator. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.